An endoparasite lives inside its host to get its nutrients. The host is harmed. The tapeworm is an endoparasite lives and gets its nutrients from inside its host, causing it harm caused to host. Gut block is abdominal pain, body weight loss, benefit gained by parasite, food supply, shelter, steady environment. Adaptation to a parasitic mode of life. It produces chemicals which neutralize the digestive juice of the host. It produces large number of the eggs to increase chances of survival. Adaptation to a parasitic mode of life. It respires anaerobically as there is lack of oxygen within the intestine. The tapeworm has both male and female sex organs and can fertilize itself. It is because only one tapeworm can be present within the intestine. It lacks sensory organs such as eye, as it does not need them.